Did you know that only 7% of our viewers are actually subscribed? We love creating content for you and want to keep doing it, but we need your support to grow our channel so we can make ends meet. So, if you enjoy our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thanks for your support.
Hi, Arik here from Cycle Maintenance Academy. Do you need to pump up your tyre with a Presta valve and the only thing you've got is a Schrader pump, or the only solution is to go to your local petrol station? If yes, do not fear, because today I'm going to show you how to pump a Presta valve using a Presta to Schrader adapter. Okay, are you ready? Then let's begin.
Tools required: hand pump or track pump, Presta to Schrader valve adapter, pliers, inflating Presta valve using an adapter. Have a look at the valve. If it sits in the rim at an angle, then first try to straighten it. If you're not sure how to do it, I've got a video tutorial that can help. Here. You'll also find a link to the video in the description below. Remove the dust cap if there's one on the valve. Unscrew the brass washer. If it's tough to turn, you can use pliers to help loosen it. Gently press the brass washer down to release it. Sometimes it might be stuck, especially if it hasn't been used in a while. Screw on the valve adapter. Push the pump head connector onto the valve as far as it can go. If your pump has a lever, move it now to secure the pump adapter onto the valve. Begin pumping. Once you're satisfied with the tyre pressure, release the lever on the pump and carefully remove the pump from the adapter. Unscrew the adapter. Close the valve. Refit the dust cap. Alternatively, you can screw the adapter back on the valve. This way it will always be available when you need it. You may also want to source a Schrader valve dust cap and fit it on the adapter. If you decide to keep the adapter on the Presta valve for future use, remember that the Presta valve brass nut is closed, so you won't be able to add air to the inner tube just by attaching the pump to the adapter. Follow these steps for the correct inflation. Remove the dust cap from the adapter. Remove the adapter from the valve. Unscrew the brass washer and then reattach the adapter. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Let me know your opinion about the Presta to Schrader adapter. If you enjoyed the video, then please consider a small donation by clicking on the super thanks icon below the video. Thanks, and see you very soon!